Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to hide last seen on WhatsApp Business. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and go and download the WhatsApp application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you're having a hard time doing this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have a lot of how to WhatsApp videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the tools where you can go and see which tools you have about your profile. You can advertise, you can read messages, and we have the settings options here. So basically guys, here we have the settings options where you can go and check out your options of the settings. Basically you have a lot of going on here. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and hide last seen on WhatsApp Business. So basically how you can do it is by going to this option on the settings, of course, and then going to the option that is privacy. So basically in this section here, we have account, and underneath the account, we have the privacy section, as you can see, where you just need to click on the privacy section. Click there, and here guys, you can see that you can see who can last seen on online, nobody or everybody. You just need to click there, and there you can go to change, of course, go and change it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, guys, please you can go and like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow the channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.